Hi everyone, stop switching back and forth between tabs. Microsoft Edge can show two websites side by side inside the same browser tab. The split screen feature is useful for comparing products, doing research, following a tutorial, or checking information on two web pages at the same time. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Next, open the two websites you want to use in separate tabs. Then, click the split screen button in the Edge toolbar. Next, choose the second tab you want to open beside your current web page. Edge will display both websites side by side inside the same tab. Then, drag the divider between the two pages to adjust how much space each website uses. If you cannot see the split screen button, open Edge settings and use the search box to search for split screen. Then, enable the split screen option and return to the browser toolbar. Finally, use the split screen controls when you want to separate the pages and return them to normal tabs. That's it, a useful Microsoft Edge feature that lets you view and use two websites together without constantly switching between tabs.